Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Wednesday, August 5th. What do we see here in the Russell? We see enthusiasm. We see optimism. We see a market that's willing to think things are going to get better. And as we talked about in the advanced video, if this reaches objectives that we looked at, then technically this could be in an uptrending market. Right now, it hasn't reached that objective. So it's an interesting setup. The sell level's been raised because potentially it wouldn't take much for this to turn over, which I hope it doesn't. Let's hope that it continues higher. If the fundamental absorption that we're seeing does continue, then that would be the expectation. When we look at the dollar, the British pound cooled off a bit, the dollar got a bit stronger. You look at the Canadian dollar, it continues weaker. I thought that might firm up a bit, but it's the way it's going down. This is a market that wants to go higher, but so far the fundamentals haven't lined up to support that currency. When we look at what's going on with silver, sideways move is what we're looking for in this market. I don't look for a screamer, nor do I look for it to break. This is at value. And even though we've had all these fundamentals out there, look at how it's behaved. I'm looking for more of that. The bias is for a move to the upside. And when we look at nat gas, we have a lot of it. And this is a market that broke, that's $100, is that dollar difference, but it's breaking lower the next couple days in this market. Ooh, it's going to be very interesting. It really has the potential of taking this lower, which I find fascinating because this is cheap. When we look at what's going on with beans, this is also cooling off a bit. Further movement to the downside, yes. A big move down, no. But things look good fundamentally for this market. So if you're on the short side, be aware that for our friend, Mr. Bean. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again. In the meantime, take care.